welcome to Crochet and Diamonds with Fiona. In today's video I have an unboxing for you. This unboxing comes to us from the Diamond Art Club, and as we can tell by the pink stripe, we are going to have a round kit. So let's see what we've got today. So we have Otter by Patrick LaMontagne. This is 59 centimeters by 43. So with it being a smaller size and being round, I'm expecting that this will work up rather quickly. So let's get into it, shall we? So first up, we have our toolkit. This is one of Diamond Art Club's newer toolkits. Let's see what we've got in this one. Yours will be slightly different, but it will give you a rough idea of what to expect. So you will have purple squishy to go with our purple drill pen. Your pen and squishy may be a different colour. Then you'll get this little heart-shaped caddy of wax. So open this up, and we have 2 plates of heart-shaped wax. You'll get some washi tape. In my kit I've got this lovely stars and leaves pattern. You'll get a cover minder of some type. You'll get a 4 and 7 multiplacer, and then you also get a drill tray. With the drill trays at the moment, there seems to be 2 types that you can get. You can get this clear hard plastic one with the stopper, or they have a white version of this. You'll get one or the other. So that is our toolkit. Let's get this put away. So let's put that to one side. Now for the canvas itself. So it's a little one compared to what we normally get. So your canvas will come in this plastic dust cover bag thing. So that way, if you choose not to work on your kit straight away, it gets it. Make sure that your kit is protected from dust or dirt or pet fur. You will notice that the back of Diamond Art Club's kits are really nice and soft, and it's also really malleable. It's not so stiff as some other companies have. So let's roll this out, shall we? So we'll deal with this in a minute. Isn't that pretty? I love the colour of the eyes. It's kind of like a rich toffee colour. I am debating whether to replace those with some sparklers. Not sparklers, crystal gems in like a toffee colour, because I feel like they really pop. And there we go. So you have a legend on your top left, and again on your bottom right. On the bottom left hand corner you will have a small copy of the image that you're about to diamond paint. It will give you the name of the painting, size and the artist. At the bottom you have all their social media details and ability to get 10% off your next purchase. Then on your bottom right you have the lifetime warranty and free missing diamonds protection. And you'll notice going all the way around the canvas that it's got the scalloped edge going all the way around your painting. That is to stop the edges from fraying, and it's also serged as well. So if you've got some kits from, mainly I've noticed from AliExpress or drop shippers, you'll notice when their kits come and you cut the canvas, it's normally straight cut on the edge, and after a while of working on it you'll see it starting to fray. I've never had that happen to me with one of Diamond Art Club's kits. So we had these. So you have the welcome message from the founder Angie Shea. Then kit contents, what's included with your kit. Diamond painting tips and tricks. So if you're a beginner and you want some pointers, you've got some here. And then you've got the another discount code for 10% off your next purchase. Bought your first Diamond Dark Club kit and you want to know what's coming in the coming weeks, what's going to be released, anything new that's happening with Diamond Dark Club, scan this QR code and it will take you to their VIP Facebook group. Written instructions, you have the step-by-step instructions here. You also, almost skipped over, you also get this little sticker, so you'll have the name of the painting, the artist and a thumbnail of the image, and it'll give you the diamond shape and size of the painting. They do have a suggestion of using this in your logbook, or a lot of people will stick them onto the boxes the painting comes in so they could easily identify that painting later. And then we have the schematic sheet. The Diamond Art Club schematic sheets come on sticker paper, and then all these labels are pre-cut, so you don't have to spend time cutting them up. They've already been done for you. It makes kitting up your painting very easy and quick. So with this diamond painting, it has 23 colours in this kit, and we have 2 ABs. So if you're new to diamond painting and you haven't heard the phrase AB before, AB stands for Aurora Borealis. It's an iridescent coating that's applied to the drills, and it just makes them sparkle that much brighter. With Diamond Art Club, anything under 150 in the DMC code, which are these numbers on your far right, anything under 150 is an AB for Diamond Art Club. So with that in mind, this kit has 2 ABs in it, number 1 and number 2. On this side of the schematic sheet is what I would personally use in my logbook, because it has everything, a bigger thumbnail of your image and everything laid out that you generally want to put in your logbook. So it's got your name of the name of the painting, should I say, and it's got your name of your artist for you, your ability to win your start date and end date, and then the shape and size at the bottom. So 1 and 2 are the ABs in this kit. You'll see that the symbols in this are nice and clear. I haven't had any problems with Diamond Art Club's symbol clarity myself. Haven't had any issues with any blurry symbols. I'll just show you so you can see for yourself. So 1 and 2 are the ABs. So from the looks of it, the 2 ABs are going to go in the eyes. So Diamond Art Club have chosen to highlight that. And then the look like different bits of fur and whiskers coming out of the otter's, under the otter's nose are ABs, because you can see all the ones here and in the fur at the top. So all the ABs, the largest majority of them, are in the otter's face. There are a couple of ABs scattered over the otter's body, but it is mainly in the face. So here are the diamonds for this kit. So you'll notice that Diamond Art Club label their diamonds. So this has the name of the painting. It is a really little hacket of drills for Diamond Art Club, because their standard size for their paintings tends to be around 50 by 70 centimetres, around that mark. So this is a little bit smaller, therefore you've got the smaller pack of drills. So let's have a look at our drills. So we've got 2 strips of drills. Let's start with the biggest one first. So we have 334, 434, 433, 3325, 310. So we have 898. We have 436, an inky blue 517. We have 938. Then we have 3371. We have 437. We have our first AB. So if I turn this over, you see how you get that shimmer on top like a pearlescence. That is the AB coating. That's the first AB, that's 106. Then we have 3841, 738, this lovely blue 312. Then we've got 3750, this lovely rich blue 3336, 939. Then we have 739 and our second and final AB for this kit, which is carrot orange. And again, you can see the AB coating on there. It's got, gives it an extra sparkle, and sometimes depending on the colour that they've applied it to, it comes through more as a pearlescence. So that's that strip, and then a little baby strip. So our final colours are 435, 3755 and 322. So they're the drills. So there are our drills back in the bag. So this is Otter by Patrick LaMontagne. I am very much looking forward to this kit. It has something in it for everyone. It's got a 50-50 mixture of colour blocking and confetti. But with the size and it being round drill, this should work up really quickly. So this is something I'm looking forward to getting done. I don't know when it will be. At the moment, I am working on a mystery kit from Diamond Art Club. So I may do this one after that. I hope that you've enjoyed looking at this kit with me. If you're new to Diamond Art Club and you haven't shopped with them before, if you go down in the description box, you will find a discount code to get you money off your first purchase with Diamond Art Club. If you have enjoyed today's video, please give this video a like. And if you would like to see more content like this, then please do click onto that subscribe button. And I hope to see all of you in the next one. Bye!